Hey, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Thomas, we gotta prepare for
I don't remember this
almost
one.
here. Can't wait lining our wings up. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon-flying view first. No dragons required.
Oh my god. Wow, it's beautiful.
Just keep moving forward.
Uh-oh. Going back?